Good morning. I'm over here working on the Oak Savanna this morning, and today's task is going to be clearing out some of this smaller stuff right here so I can get at the bigger birches behind there. There's 3 big ones right there, and I'm going to girdle them today. Until winter hits, the biggest bang for my buck is going to be getting these bigger trees girdled so that the oaks can get light. So what I am going to do today is, first I'm going to take this nasty thing out. This was pinned down at when it was young and then grew up sideways. These are really hard to take down. And compounding the problem is I'm on a ledge right here. Let me see if I can get that to show. So a lot of the stuff that's right along this ledge is either growing into the ledge here, like that one was, that cedar, or it's just below or just above it, so it's really hard to get your footing. And there's ledges all over in here because we're on top of the ridge. But I'll get in here. What I'm going to do is take the pruners and just whack some of this stuff out of my way so I can get in here. And then I'll drop some of these smaller trees so I have access. And then I'm going to go and girdle whatever I can today. I think I'll girdle this guy right here, this hickory, because that's doing a lot of shading. Is that a hickory? No, that's a walnut. Yeah, I'll girdle that walnut, that hickory over there, and then some of these big birch. The girdling goes real quick, but you can see there's so much garbage around it that they're almost impossible to get at right now. So I got to do some hacking away just to get at them. And I got to do it quick because the sun's going to be on me in a little bit. And I don't want to work in the blazing sun. Okay. And there you have it. All I did was cut through the cambium all the way around, and pretty good cut. So I'm going to do that one. I got to cut some stuff out of my way to get at that one. I might do the cedar, but I am definitely going to get these two right here. Yeah, one is a cottonwood, and this one's an aspen. Aspen, cottonwood, cedar, and birch. 4 different tree types. But there are the 2 gigantic white oaks right there. So these guys are right above them. So that is what I need to do, is just get in here and first top girdle any of these trees that are above my big trees. Then I can go in and get all this garbage below them, which grow up right into the tree. I don't know if you can see it that well, but there's lots of little maples and stuff growing right up into the tree. Those will be next. But for now, girdling. Okay, that'll do it. All right, I got 1, 2, 3, 4 big trees girdled. And I got that, well, a bunch of smaller trees, some brush, and that funky bent tree is right here. I'm going to have to get in and top it tomorrow, but I ran out of time for today. So, yeah, and it got way too windy to burn, just like I thought. There's now 13-mile-an-hour winds. So, no burning today, but I got to get to my day job anyways. So, that is the majority, well, actually, I think it's all of the bigger trees in this area. So it's just a few smaller ones in there, and then a couple here. And these will be open to the western sky. Then I can worry about the other side, which is not as bad. Then I can work my way back into this so that I can get the prairie grasses planted in the fall, or possibly in the spring. I talked with Roundstone and they said it's probably better to do it in the spring. So I'll kill all this stuff back and then kill it back again in the spring, and do that a couple times, because this native stuff can really take over that prairie grass. The prairie grass grows real slow at the start, but once it's established, nothing's gonna move it out. So that'll wrap it up for today. Hit the subscribe button and click on updates, and you'll be notified when we update all this stuff. Thanks for watching, and have yourself a great day.